Keeping your inventory accurate across all your sales channels is key to preventing overselling, and Ordoro makes it simple. Here's how inventory calculations work. Ordoro calculates inventory by balancing what you have on your shelves against your open orders. When you view a product's inventory, you'll see three categories: physical on hand, committed, and available on hand. Physical on hand is the quantity of units on your shelves, which you can update manually. Committed is the number of units tied to open orders, and this is automatically calculated. Available on hand is physical on hand minus committed units across all sales channels. This number is also automatically calculated and synced to your sales channels to prevent overselling. If you have multiple warehouses, Ordoro sums the totals from each warehouse and syncs the combined available quantity. And that's it. With Ordoro's automated inventory calculations, you'll always know exactly what's available to sell and keep your stock levels in check.